Is it actually possible to make money in 2026 without spending a dime upfront? The 9 to 5 is evolving, and in this video, we're breaking down the best income streams for young people in 2026 with $0 capital. Whether you're a student, a creative, or just looking to escape the inflation trap, these side hustles are designed for the skill arbitrage era. We aren't just talking about surveys or transcription. We're diving into high-leverage digital assets like AI operations, clipping networks, and the fractional economy. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Right now in 2026, you have more power to build your own income than at any point in history. But with so much noise online, get-rich-quick schemes, overhyped trends, it's hard to know what's real. It's 2026. The old ways of making money, the summer internship at a desk, or flipping burgers for minimum wage, aren't just boring, they're mathematically inefficient. We are living in the skill arbitrage era. If you have a smartphone and 4 hours of focus, you can out-earn a mid-level manager. But here's the problem. Most side hustle videos are still telling you to do things from 2020. My name is Blessing Ibrahim. I'm a multi-talented freelancer, entrepreneur, YouTuber, and career coach dedicated to helping individuals build profitable skills and purposeful careers. With a strong passion for personal and financial growth, I love to empower young people and professionals to navigate freelancing, entrepreneurship, and career development with clarity and confidence. Through practical guidance, real-world insights, and engaging content, I will continue to inspire others to take control of their income, career paths, and long-term success. Today, we're talking about the best actual low-capital income streams for young people in 2026. This isn't about buying crypto and hoping. This is about using your existing skills, time, and the tools at your fingertips to build something real. Whether you need extra cash for savings, to pay off student loans, or to start your journey to financial freedom, this video is for you. We'll break this down into 3 clear paths: trading your time and skills, creating and selling digital assets, and building more passive systems. For each one, I'll give you specific ideas, realistic income potential, and the exact first steps to take this week. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and the bell. We make deep dive guides like this every week to help you navigate your career and finances in the 2020s. Let's get started. Let's start with path 1, trading your time and skills. This is the fastest way to get money in your pocket, often within a week. It's active work, but it requires almost zero money to start and builds crucial professional skills. You're not just earning, you're building a resume. The mindset here is to look at what you already know or do well and see who will pay for it. You're in school? Perfect. You're tech savvy? Even better. Here are the top opportunities for 2026. AI operations, also known as the ghost freelancer. Everyone is talking about AI taking jobs, but in 2026, the real money is in AI operations. Small businesses are drowning in tools they don't know how to use. They don't need a prompt engineer. They need an AI automator. The concept is simple. You aren't writing the blogs. You're building the system that writes, edits, and posts the blogs. This is a low capital entry opportunity. Use free or low-cost tiers of tools like Make.com or Zapier to connect AI to a business's email or CRM. How to start? First, find a niche, for example, local roofers. Second, build a lead responder bot that answers customer queries in 30 seconds. Third, charge a $500 setup fee plus a $200 per month maintenance retainer. Pro tip: in 2026, human in the loop is the selling point. Tell clients the AI does the heavy lifting, but I personally audit every output. UGC 2.0 and clipping networks. In 2025, user-generated content was about filming yourself with a face cream. In 2026, it's about clipping networks. Large creators and brands have thousands of hours of long-form content. They are desperate for clippers, people who can take a 1-hour podcast and turn it into 15 viral TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. The difference now, with AI tools, you can automate the captions and the face tracking, but the curation is where you get paid. The model: don't ask for a salary, ask for performance-based pay. Example: it'll edit 30 clips a month for free. For every clip that hits 100,000 views, you pay me $100. Why it works? It's zero risk for the creator and infinite upside for you. Freelance writing and content creation. Every single business needs words, blog posts, website copy, social media captions. If you can write clearly, you can do this. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are where you start. According to industry data, freelance writers can average around $22 per hour. Start by putting together 3 solid writing samples, even if you write them just for your portfolio. 2. Graphic and video design. We live in a visual world. Small businesses constantly need logos, social media graphics, and short video edits. With free tools like Canva and CapCut, you can offer these services. Graphic designers can command about $20 per hour. Find 5 local small businesses on Instagram. 3. Tutoring and academic help. This is a classic for a reason. Your fresh knowledge is valuable. You can tutor in school subjects, help with SAT-ACT prep, or even teach a skill like playing guitar or basic coding. Online platforms like Wisant or Tutor.com make it easy. Tutors can earn $15 to $25 per hour, with advanced subjects like science or test prep on the higher end. 4. Social media management. You probably understand Instagram or TikTok better than a 45-year-old small business owner. Offer to manage their accounts, create posts, write captions, and engage with followers. This is a huge need. 5. Virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs need help with email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer service. This is all about being organized and reliable. So your action plan for this week. 1. Audit your skills. What are you good at? Writing, organizing, art, math, tech. 2. Create a simple portfolio. Make 2 to 3 examples of your work. A fake social media post, a sample blog paragraph, a redesigned logo for a brand you like. 3. Make your first pitch. Don't wait for a job post. Message 3 to 5 small local businesses or creators on Instagram with a specific friendly offer to help them with one thing. This path gets you paid quickly and teaches you how to find clients, communicate professionally, and deliver value. Path 2. Creating and selling digital products. Now let's level up. Path 2 is about creating and selling digital products. This is where you do the work once and get paid for it over and over again. It's more upfront effort than freelancing, but it creates a scalable, semi-passive income stream. The key insight for 2026: people don't buy broad solutions, they buy specific relief from a single annoying problem. Don't try to create the ultimate life planner. Create the perfect 5-day study schedule for final exams or the Instagram Reel script template pack for coaches. Here's what you can create. Digital niche. Real estate social media algorithms are more volatile than ever. That's why owned movements are the most stable income of 2026. I'm talking about niche newsletters and paid communities. The strategy: don't be a lifestyle influencer. Be an information filter. Example: a weekly newsletter called the 2026 Home Gym Guide. You curate the best deals on equipment and AI fitness apps. Monetization: 1. Sponsorships. Brands pay to be in your email. 2. Affiliate links. You get a cut of every treadmill sold. 3. Low-ticket digital products. A $10 PDF 30-day transformation. The math: 1,000 loyal subscribers at a $5 per month premium tier is a $60,000 per year business with almost zero overhead. Templates and printables, budget trackers, resume templates, meal planners, Notion dashboards, digital art and design assets, custom fonts, stock photos, Lightroom presets, printable wall art, guides and mini courses, a 20-page guide on how to start a Twitch stream, or a 60-minute video course on mastering Excel for your first internship. You don't need to be a world expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Where to sell and how much to charge. Where do you sell these? Etsy. Fantastic for printables, templates, and digital art. It has a built-in audience searching for these items. Gumroad, Payhip. Simple platforms perfect for selling PDFs, courses, or templates directly. Your own simple website. Use Shopify or WordPress to build a brand. What's the realistic income potential? It starts small but scales. Top sellers on platforms like Etsy can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from digital downloads. But more realistically, as a beginner, creating a few great products could net you an extra $100 to $500 a month in relatively passive income. Profit margins are 80 to 90% because there's no inventory. Your action plan this week: 1. Find your micro niche. What's one small problem you recently solved? Did you make a killer study guide? Design a cool workout chart? That's your first product. 2. Build your first product. Use Canva to design it. Keep it clean, useful, and specific. 3. Set up your storefront. Create an account on Etsy or Gumroad. Take good photos of what your product looks like. Write a clear description and set a price. Start between $5 and $15. This path builds an asset. That template you sell tonight could still be earning you money a year from now while you sleep. Path 3. Building more passive systems. Path 3 is the long game. Building more passive systems. These methods take more time to gain momentum, but can create true earn while you sleep income. In 2026, the winners in this space are those who build on proof and practicality, not just persuasion. Idea 1. Affiliate marketing built on real use. Forget top 10 tools lists. The shift is to documentation over promotion. If you use a product you genuinely love, like a specific notebook, app, or course, make a YouTube video or blog post titled "How I Use Product to Achieve Specific Outcome." Show real screenshots, your real workflow, and include your affiliate link. One honest review can earn for years if the product is good. A blogger focusing on a specific niche can earn $500 a month with just 1,000 visitors. Idea 2. Faceless, evergreen YouTube channels. You don't need to be a personality. Create short, clear videos that answer specific, searchable questions. Think, how does a high-yield savings account work? Or a beginner's guide to print on demand. Use stock footage and a good voiceover. Videos based on search intent can generate views and add revenue for years with little maintenance. A niche channel with 10,000 subscribers can reasonably earn $1,000+ a month from ads and affiliates. Idea 3. Print on demand. This bridges digital and physical. You design a t-shirt, mug, or poster. A company like Printful or Printify handles production and shipping when someone orders. You never touch inventory. One Reddit user reported having 8,000 designs across platforms, earning $2,000 to $3,000 a month in royalties. Start by designing around a niche hobby or interest you understand deeply. Idea 4. Automate your investments. This is the most passive of all. Use the income from your side hustles to automate investing. Open a brokerage account and set up automatic monthly investments into a dividend-paying ETF or a low-cost index fund. A $10,000 investment in a fund with a 4% dividend yield pays about $400 per year. It's not flashy, but it's math doing math for your future. These strategies offer a path to true passive income, building a foundation for your financial future. How to choose and get started. So with all these options, how do you choose? Follow this simple blueprint for 2026. 1. For immediate cash, start with Path 1. Offer tutoring, social media help, or freelance writing. It builds skills and confidence fast. 2. For scalable, semi-passive income. Once you have some cash flow, invest time into Path 2. Build one great template or guide based on your new skills. 3. For the long-term portfolio. Allocate a percentage of your side hustle income to Path 3. Start a high-yield savings account, automate small investments, or slowly build a content library around your niche. The most important principle for 2026 is this: start with proof, not theory. Don't try to build the perfect thing. Build the smallest, simplest version and see if anyone cares. Then improve it. Look, the goal isn't to burn yourself out trying all of these at once. The goal is to start. Pick one thing from this video that resonated with you. Maybe it's offering to manage a friend's small business Instagram for $50. Maybe it's designing 3 printable planner pages tonight. The unique advantage you have as a young person in 2026 is time, agility, and native understanding of the digital world. You have fewer expenses now, so you can reinvest what you earn to grow faster. The lessons you learn from running even a tiny business are more valuable than most classes. Your challenge? Comment below with one income stream you're committing to try in the next 7 days. Let's hold each other accountable. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more real-world guides like this. The links to all the platforms and tools I mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Remember, your financial future isn't just about getting a job. It's about building skills and assets. Get out there and start building. I'll see you in the next video.